We've all stared up at the night sky, captivated by the twinkling lights and the sheer vastness of space. For centuries, humanity has dreamed of reaching for the stars, of building vessels that can carry us beyond our earthly confines. And in recent decades, that dream has become a tangible reality, with rockets soaring and rovers exploring distant planets. But have you ever stopped to wonder, what does it actually take to make one of these incredible machines? Not just in terms of engineering marvels, but in cold, hard cash? It's not like buying a car, or even a private jet. Building a spaceship is an undertaking of colossal proportions, a symphony of cutting-edge technology, brilliant minds, and an unimaginable amount of resources. The price tag isn't just for the metal and wires, it's for the decades of research and development, the countless failed tests, the highly specialized manufacturing facilities, and the army of scientists and engineers working tirelessly around the clock. So, if you're thinking of adding a spacecraft to your garage, prepare for sticker shock. So, how much money do you need to make a spaceship? Let's talk real numbers, and they are astronomical. Consider something like the Space Shuttle program. NASA spent an estimated $49 billion in 2020 to develop it. That's for the orbiters, main engines, external tanks, solid rocket boosters, and all the associated launch and landing infrastructure. And that's just for a reusable vehicle designed primarily for low Earth orbit. If you're looking at something more ambitious, like SpaceX's Starship, a vehicle designed to take humans to Mars, the costs are still climbing. SpaceX has already invested over $5 billion in Starship's research and development, and estimates suggest the total could reach $10 billion. Even the cost to build a single Starship unit, once production is streamlined, is projected to be in the tens of millions, with some estimates putting it at around $90 million per unit, although Elon Musk aims for a much lower cost per launch through rapid reusability. For context, the development of the Falcon 9, a workhorse in the commercial space industry, cost just around $390 million. These figures aren't just about the physical materials. They encompass the billions spent on designing, prototyping, testing, failing, redesigning, and retesting every single component. Think about the specialized alloys that can withstand extreme temperatures, the complex propulsion systems, the intricate life support systems, and the sophisticated avionics. Each element is a marvel of engineering, born from years of dedicated, incredibly expensive research. And it's not just private companies. Government space agencies like NASA also operate with immense budgets. In 2024, NASA's budget was around $24.9 billion, with a significant portion allocated to human spaceflight and exploration. These government investments often fund foundational research and ambitious long-term projects that private companies can then leverage. The sheer scale of financial commitment required means that building a spaceship isn't a casual endeavor. It's a national priority, a monumental private investment, or a combination of both. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and that comes with an extraordinary price tag. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.